Hi everyone, I'm Jenna Closhaw, accessplanit's Product Manager, and in this video I'll be going over the latest features and updates that will be applied to your system week commencing the 11th of March. We'll start with the 3 key updates in this release and then run through our usual list of honourable mentions. First up is our new tasks board. When it comes to managing your to-do list, the easier it is for you to navigate through your tasks, the better. Your tasks board gives you an instant view of your ongoing and outstanding tasks. It's a simple drag and drop to update the status of a task. The rest of your tasks information is just one click away, and of course you can create new tasks in here. We plan to improve the tasks board later this year, so if there's any improvements that you'd like to see, please let us know. The next key update is Advertised course date range. If you've ever hoped for a bit more flexibility with when your courses are advertised, you can now specify per course when they're available to book. This date range applies to your web feed, your LMS course portal search, and your manager view, giving you much more control over when your end users and customers have visibility of your courses. Of course, as administrators, you'll still be able to make bookings when you like. The final big update is our new module, Users and Accounts API. This year at accessplanit, we're focusing on making your system as connectable as possible, and a major part of that is the API feeds we're developing for the key areas of the system. You can use API feeds to connect to your accessplanit system to read data, update data, and write new data. To put that into context, you could use this new Accounts and Users API feed to sync your employees with a HR system or sync your customers with a CRM system. This removes the need for double data entry, vastly reduces the risk of human error, and erases the headache of managing multiple systems. If you think that you could benefit from this module or you just want some more information, please get in touch with your CSM. And here are our honourable mentions. The Impersonate User tool is great for finding out how your system looks to other people. Once you've finished impersonating, you'll now be able to log back in as yourself rather than logging out entirely. In our last release, we announced the new booking link for opportunities. This link lets your customers book the courses they've inquired about directly from their inquiry confirmation or quotation email. In this release, we've gone one step further, and any cost overrides that you've applied to your opportunity items will be included alongside the quantity. This is a great way to provide your customers and prospects with special rates to encourage those bookings. If you offer e-learning bundles or plans, then we have a new merge field treat for you. You can now include a link to every e-learning course within a plan to your delegates in one email. So your delegates now have a one-stop shop for accessing and launching their e-learning courses, rather than sifting through lots of emails. Within this email, the merge field displays a table of the e-learning courses and the launch link for each one. The manager view within your system has had a dose of Mary Kondo decluttering. Your managers now only see the users that are actively employed by them. So any users with start dates in the future or employment end dates in the past will be hidden from their view, making it easier for them to navigate around their employees, their compliance, and their upcoming courses. And finally, there's a brand new option available for your shopping basket for capturing an additional reference number per booking. If you'd like this option adding into your shopping basket, please get in touch with your CSM. And that's it for this release. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions about the new features, please get in touch with our help desk on 0845 543 0229 or via the help desk portal. If you have any thoughts or improvements that we can make to the system, then please get these submitted to us via the product suggestions portal. And finally, if you have any questions about the product development or our product roadmap, please get in touch with me.